Welcome to fire alarm monitoring system. First, we can log into the system. Type user email and type user password. We can use wrong password. Then system shows something went wrong, invalid email or password. Then type valid password. Yes, log into the system. The system shows sensor status, sensor name, sensor status active, room number, floor number, location name, CO2 level, smoke level. Smoke level greater than 5 or this one, and smoke level greater than 5 or CO2 level greater than 5. This box border is red and this icon shows dangerous icon. The border is red and the sensor is dangerous. User can identify what is the dangerous sensors, and CO2 level less than or equal 5 or smoke level less than equal of 5. The border color is green and image, this icon is right icon is it is okay. The sensor is not dangerous sensor. User can identify this is not dangerous sensor. Our system refresh every 40 seconds. You can see, yes, change the border color red to green, change the CO2 level 3 and smoke level less than or equal 5, less than or equal 5. It is okay, the sensor. This one, smoke level greater than 5. CO2 level it is okay, but smoke level greater than 5. The shows the border is red. Then user want to see the all sensors, and this identify room, floor, and this active. Then user want to log out the system. Press the logout button. Go to the welcome page. Welcome to fire alarm system. First, user can register the system. Already registered the user can log into the system. First, we will register. Type registration details, name, email, phone number and password. Click to the registration button. Then system shows registration successful message, and then we can log into the system. Type user email and user password. First, we type wrong password and login. System shows valid login. Please type valid login and then type valid email and type valid password. Then user can log into the system. System shows login success. This window is fire alarm sensor data. Sensor ID, smoke level, CO2 level, location name, floor number, room number and status active shows the window. And then smoke level greater than 5 or CO2 level greater than 5. This row is red. It means this sensor ID is dangerous. And smoke level less than or equal 5, CO2 level less than or equal of 5. This is not dangerous. This row displays white row. The smoke level and CO2 levels, when it is dangerous, it display red, and it is not dangerous, display white. Then user can find the dangerous sensor IDs and not dangerous sensor IDs. User want to go to home and click the home button. Then admin can log into the system, press the login button and type admin email and type password, log into the shows login successful message. Type admin username and password and log into the system. Yes, this message shows admin login successful. It's okay. This is access only admin. First add location on the system. Then admin type location details, location name, computer building address, lead number of floors, 8, and location button, success message, location added, and admin can add to the floor. Admin add floor details, floor name, study area floor number is 2 and number of rooms 6. Success message floor added is okay, and admin can add the room. Admin add room details, room name, library, number of room number 4, number of sensor 16. Library have number of 16 sensors. Add room added message, and admin can add the same. Admin add sensor details, add sensor name, slit, fire alarm, and add sensor success message. Okay. Admin added the sensor location computing building, this one, and floor number 2, room number 4. Now we can see admin added the sensor ID 49, computing building location, floor number 2, study area, and room number 4. System shows sensors and not dangerous sensors. Now admin, yes, this one, this window only access the can admin. Admin can edit the sensor and delete the sensor. Edit the sensor and delete the, yes, the window is fire alarm details edit. Only admin can access this window, sensor IDs and sensor details, edit the sensor and delete the sensor. First we can edit the sensor, change the sensor name, slit fire alarm to change alarm, then press enter button. Yes, success message, data edited. I want to change location number 15 to 14 and press the enter. Success message. Yes, this is the edit sensor. I want to change floor number 11 to 10. Edit sensor is success. We can delete the sensor. Click the 43 or 45 and I want to delete the, yes, data deleted, success message. 45 is not there, sensor ID is deleted, and I edited the 49 sensor ID is change alarm name and floor number. And our system with RMI saver check every 15 seconds, check the sensor status and show the pop-up message for user. Look the pop-up message for user, RMI saver check every 15 seconds. Yes, it's dangerous IDs 48, 43. This ID is dangerous. This always come to the every 15 second refresh the check the RMI saver and pop-up message. Okay, then look the goes every 15 seconds come to the pop-up message. this shows dangerous values. Look, this value is changing, and then OK button. Now we can start the RMI saver. The save is right now. Every 15 seconds check the RMI saver. Email send and come to the pop-up message. This pop-up message includes sensor IDs, dangerous sensor IDs. OK, and then go to the second email. Look, every 15 seconds go to the send email and pop-up message. Just wait 15 seconds. Yes, go to the second email. Every 15 seconds send to the email dangerous values. Now we can look RMI save every 15 seconds send the email. Yes, this dangerous values come to the email. Sensor IDs come to the email. Start the RMI saver. RMI saver send every 15 seconds SMS and email. Before look email and this one is SMS. Every 15 seconds send to the message. Look there. Wait 15 seconds. Change the come to this. Yes, values changing. Yes. This is my simple client application. The application start. Type in PM start. When application start, CO2 level and smoke level change in every 10 seconds. This message sensor data update change in the value every 10 seconds. Second message, second sensor data updated. This is my simple client application. Yes, now we can see simple client application sensor data updated. Our fire alarm sensor data, smoke level and CO2 level every change in 10 seconds. Get the message sensor data update. Yes, this